Well, Phil, when we spoke in April, a lot of this was fresh, right? But here
Yep.
we are in mid-July, coming off a quarter where orders were up 27%, both in services and in new make engines. So demand continues to be robust. I think we've got better clarity as to where we're going, at least with respect to aerospace. We've been advocating, as you know, for a return to the tariff-free construct in aerospace that dates back to 1979. We saw that captured in the U.S.-UK agreement. We're hopeful that that will be replicated in the other trade deals that are on the table in the days and weeks to come.
Well, you were with the president in Qatar when he announced a massive order, not just for Boeing wide bodies, but obviously, more than 400 GE engines that will power those aircraft, including the 777X, which has yet to be certified. But are you confident that goes into service next year as Boeing is planned?
Well, that was a big day for us in Doha to have the president there, Kelly to his right, I was to his left, announcing the largest wide-body order in the history of the industry, thus both our companies. We're thrilled to be under wing. We know customers love that product. The win rate against competition, I think, is in the 60% range. So we're working. It'll be the most tested engine and aircraft in recent memory. And we'll leave it to Kelly and the Boeing team to talk about the introduction schedule, but we're working hard toward that 26 date.
But when you talk with the president and you say, look, the tariff, the agreement that we worked with the UK, we should have that worldwide, are you confident that sticks?
Phil, I'm optimistic. I really am. When we're talking with the president and others in the administration, I think there's a real recognition that the U.S. enjoys that $75 billion annual trade surplus for a host of reasons, not the least of which has been this tariff-free regime. The president himself understands the industry very well, right? He had his own airline. He flies his own 757. He understands this industry, I think, in great depth. And we're, again, optimistic that as the other trade deals are reached, that what we saw in the UK agreement will be in place.